Yeah, I mean, when we go to trying to develop a business in the emerging world, we got to ask ourselves, right? What do we bring? It used to be capital, it used to be new technology, but many of those emerging countries, especially like China, they have those tools now too. So what we need to do is to look at ourselves. We actually bring something, other than those two in many cases, but we don't realize that we even have that. Now, if you understand the China environment, you notice that many of the state-owned enterprise, they will actually have shareholders that are government, and government are well known to be conservative and risk avoidance. So the management are actually, hamstrung in what they can do and cannot they do. So you simply being a foreign investor, if you can line yourself up, on the objective, and how to develop the business with your local partner, you already bring a lot of value.